Welcome everyone. Today, we'll explore one of the most important updates in the Java ecosystem, Java 8. This version introduced functional programming, stream processing, and a whole new date and time API, among other things. Let's take a deep dive into its core features with practical code examples. Java 8 was released in March 2014, marking a major evolution in Java programming. It introduced features that aligned Java with modern programming paradigms, especially functional programming. The key focus areas included Lambda expressions, the Streams API, default methods in interfaces, and a new datetime API. Java 8 significantly enhanced the readability and conciseness of code. It encouraged a functional programming approach, which simplifies many operations on collections. It also boosted performance through lazy evaluation in streams and introduced better handling of time with the datetime API. The major features introduced in Java 8 include Lambda expressions for functional syntax, functional interfaces to support Lambda expressions, the Streams API for processing collections, default and static methods in interfaces, method references for concise code, the optional class for handling null values safely, and a modern date and time API. Lambda expressions make Java more expressive and concise. The syntax is simple, parameters followed by, and the expression or code block. For example, Java copiedit list.forEach item system.out.println item. This eliminates the need for anonymous classes and makes the code much cleaner. A functional interface has just one abstract method and can be used as the target for Lambda expressions. In this example, Java copiedit at functional interface greeting. Void say hello, string name. We can use a Lambda to implement it. Java copiedit greet is equal to name system.out.println hello plus name. The Streams API allows us to process data in a declarative and parallelizable way. Here's a simple example. Java copiedit names.stream. .filter name starts with j. .forEach system.out.println. It allows chaining of operations like filter, map, collect, and reduce in a clean, functional style. Java 8 allows interfaces to have default and static methods. This enables backward compatibility while evolving interfaces. Java copiedit default void show. System.out.println default method. Static void display. System.out.println static method. Default methods can be overridden, static methods cannot. Method references simplify Lambda expressions further. For instance, Java copiedit list.forEach system.out.println. This is shorthand for a Lambda that takes an element and passes it to system.out.println. Optional is a container that may or may not contain a non-null value. It's a better alternative to avoid null pointer exception. Java copiedit optional string name is equal to optional.of nullable John. Name.if present system.out.println. You can also use methods like or else, is present, and map. The old date and calendar classes were mutable and error-prone. Java 8 introduced a modern datetime API under java.time. Java copiedit local date today is equal to local date.now, local time is equal to local time.now, local datetime is equal to local datetime.now. These classes are immutable and thread-safe. Java 8's Streams API includes collectors to aggregate results and reduce for combining elements. Java copied it names.stream.collect, collectors.joining, comma, and to some integers. Java copied it arrays.aslist 1, 2, 3, .stream, .reduce, 0, integer, sum. These patterns are common in data transformation pipelines. In summary, Java 8 modernized the language and brought it in line with modern software development practices. It introduced powerful tools for writing clean, expressive, and efficient Java code. Mastering Java 8 is essential for any serious Java developer today.